In this video, I'm just going to show you a LinkedIn ad that is just really, really good in my opinion. When I get served an ad on LinkedIn, which I like, I end up clicking through and doing everything. But this one spoke to me because I have another company called B2BHero.co, just launching it. I'm thinking about like equity partners and all that kind of stuff. If you're interested in finding elite level B2B marketers, some of the best marketers in the world, then definitely click here, hire a marketer, and you'll get through and we'll figure something out for you. But when I saw this, it really interested me. I love the colors, the branding, and it's just like really interesting. The reward your team with equity by giving them a slice of the pie. Super simple copy. And the creative says something different in it. So it's working complement, which is really good, which is conditional equity attracts, retains, and motivates talent. Get the free guide. So they're pushing a free guide. When you click on download, it goes to a landing page, which is like this. It's really simple. 26 conditional equity milestones. You put your details in. They've got like a load of stuff. The whole page is built literally just to get you as a lead. So once you put in your information, you say, I want this, and you give your like email and all that, it redirects you to this page. This is literally lead gen, demand gen, exactly how it's meant to be done. It says, thanks, we'll email you the guide. Need to get on the fast. So like kind of like before you go, when you book a call with us, we have, these services, we can do the stuff. The calendar's right there. So you can say, okay, let's check out times on that day. It tells you a lot of different things about it. And now this page is just selling to book in a call. It's so cool. So not only are they getting you as a lead, some people are going to start converting to phone calls all on autopilot, all by just sending loads of traffic, ads in front of loads of people, traffic to the opt-in page, redirect to the sales page. So we're getting leads, and now some of that traffic is converting into literally scheduled phone calls, which is awesome. So you get the guide here in an email box, and you click on that and it gets delivered to you. And I can imagine they're going to be retargeting me and remarketing to me via the email now. So I'm probably going to get a whole email campaign follow-up suggesting why don't I get a phone call with them. But like this really spoke to me because also the gated content spoke to me exactly what I wanted. I really am curious to see what are the equity milestones I could give another founder or to give to an employee to motivate them to get really excited about my business so we can build it really well. And this is literally what they're saying. They've literally done some research and it's just there. It's not, it's actually pretty mega. It's cool, but gives you all the information you need. So really cool ads. And this is exactly what paid media should be doing. You're sending traffic to some gated content landing page, redirecting them to the sales page. Some percent is converting into actual scheduled phone calls right there and then, retargeting them on LinkedIn and with email marketing and offering this gated content piece. Really cool. I've got some good brand awareness now. I know who they are, and this is actually quite helpful for me. So, they might get me as a customer in the future. If you want to learn more about LinkedIn ads, I have a totally free LinkedIn targeting, like a pro course. You can check that in the link in the description below. And I also have a paid course, which I'm going to be linking to. If you get the free course, I'll send you an email detailing what that paid LinkedIn ads course is all about. It's all about getting really good at LinkedIn ads from beginner to pro. It's not that expensive. You can just get the free course first, do the free course, and I'll send you some information about the paid one if you're interested. In the meantime, definitely subscribe and hit the bell button, and speak to you guys soon.